If you're looking to find and access the file manager on your iPhone, don't worry, it's easy to do. The Files app server as your file manager, allowing you to organize, search for, and access your documents and other files. Here's how to get started. How to find and access the Files app. Locate the Files app. Look for the Files app icon on your home screen. It looks like a blue folder with a white background. Tap on the Files app icon to open it. Navigate within the Files app. Browse. Use the Browse tab at the bottom to see all your locations such as iCloud Drive, On My iPhone, and other connected services. Recent. The Recent tab shows your recently accessed files for quick retrieval. Search. Use the search bar at the top to quickly find specific files or folders. Access files and folders. To view or open a file, simply tap on it. To organize files, you can create new folders by tapping the ellipsis 3 dots button in the top right corner and select New Folder. Use file management features. Move files. Tap and hold on a file or folder, then choose Move to organize it into a different folder. Delete files. Tap and hold on a file or folder, then select Delete to remove it. By following these steps, you should be able to easily find and access the file manager on your iPhone. If this guide helped, let me know in the comments below.